Hi, my name is Jean.
And I'm Frank.
And we'd like to tell you how pleased we are with the way our bathroom turned out. HomeDesign did a wonderful job. The craftsmanship is very good. We're very happy with the install. The project took a couple of weeks, but it was worth the wait, and we're very, very happy.
HomeDesign stayed on schedule, finished on schedule. I think their price was fair. This is the third project we've done with HomeDesign. We previously did an upgrade to bathrooms and upgrade with the kitchen. This is a complete renovation in the bathroom. We're very pleased with the results.
And we highly recommend them. So give them a try if you're interested in doing a remodel. They did a wonderful job.